Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how can you fix Instagram Reels problem. Instagram Reels icon not showing. So if Instagram Reel icon isn't showing in your device, you can just solve it by some solution. So the first step is just go to Play Store and check for Instagram if there is an update or not. Just click on Instagram and check if there is any update or not. If there is any update in Instagram, you can just update it immediately, and by updating it the problem will be solved. Now the step 2 is if Instagram update isn't working, then you can just join beta from here. Just click on join and click on join again. By joining the beta program, you can just unlock the Reels icon on your Instagram. Now the third step is if that isn't working, then you can just uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. And after that, if that isn't working again, you can just use Instagram Lite. Just install this app, this one, Instagram Lite. This is the same as Instagram, just a light version. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.